We are Core Solutions Group, serving law firm owners up with financial clarity and direction. We're committed to the legal space and to helping law firm owners scale their firms and their purpose through proactive accounting, tax, and cash management services. While our diligent approach may not be a good fit for everyone, if you're looking to grow and scale your firm while protecting profits, we've designed our services just for you. When it comes to your money, you must have a financial player on your team that you can trust. And investing and getting clarity around your numbers can be the biggest leap forward you take in your firm. If you're tired of wondering if the books are right, chasing down financial statements, and generally being stuck in a state of reaction, you've come to the right place. I'm a slice through the onion type of gal. So let's get really clear here. The odds of success in your business were not great from the beginning. Over 96% of businesses fail in the first 5 years, and those who make it past 10 years will quickly share with you that it's their ability to anticipate and adapt that got them that far. It had nothing whatsoever to do with getting any easier as time went by. So let's skip all the reasons why businesses fail and instead focus on what the 2% have figured out. Being an entrepreneur means wearing multiple hats. Within each of these hats are the same guiding pillars: systems, reporting, and foresight. Systems represent data in and all the people and platforms that collect and organize your data. Reporting represents data out. To look at a report is totally different than to analyze and use a report. Each hat has a set of KPIs, or key performance indicators, that point towards the health of your business. And foresight. This is a place most never reach. They spend their weeks in reaction mode, putting out fire after fire, juggling all the balls, covering all the bases, and looking in the rearview mirror most of the time. Foresight is when you know your people and data so well that you can anticipate their behavior and keep your focus on what's ahead to come. Realize that these 3 pillars are constantly changing and evolving as you scale. It's your job to oversee these hats or delegate oversight to someone else. Hey, this is me, Chelsea Williams, and founder of Core Solutions Group. When you took the leap into law business ownership, you likely did it for reasons rooted in time and money. You didn't have the money to make use of the time, or maybe there wasn't enough time to make use of the money. But now that you're a business owner, your money goal has become to leverage systems and people so you can buy back those precious moments outside of the office. Proactive financial management is not the only component to a profitable business, but a necessary one, and one that, if not taken seriously, can cost you money. That means you have to own your CFO hat. You went into business to make money, so it's crucial that you understand how to track it and make decisions around it. Here's the truth. Your law business and your personal goals absolutely translate into numbers, which can sometimes be a little overwhelming and come with some shame. Wearing the CFO hat was not something law school taught you, or high school, or middle school. So not understanding how to read and leverage the numbers isn't surprising. We're here to show you just how enlightening and empowering your numbers can be. What got you here won't get you there. So let's get schooled up, shall we? As the CFO of your firm and your life, it's your job to make sure that your processes, reporting, and forecasting is in line. Processes are made up of things like software platforms, maybe even Excel sheets. These are things like practice management software, payroll software, accounting, cloud-based document, and the standard operating procedures surrounding those platforms and the people that are put in place to oversee them. Standard operating procedures are what ensures that the job is done, that the workflow is consistent time and time again. As we get into reporting, it's important to remember that garbage in equals garbage out. Accuracy absolutely matters. And understand that all reports are not made equal. Make them meaningful. Group your reports in a way that it makes sense to you so that the data is presented in a meaningful way. And establish KPIs. For your CFO hat, your KPIs are going to be things that not only reflect your profit margins, sales goals, budget variances, and cash flow, but also things like marketing metrics. While these aren't represented on the financial statements, they are directly tied to the revenue that is. And finally, we come to this place of forecasting. This is where you understand the relationship between your money and your operations enough to be able to anticipate the future and create your financial story. We do our part and meet you where you're at. Whether you're about to open your own firm, you're in your first 5 years, or you have multiple locations with a team of attorneys, we've got a solution for you. If you're simply looking to get things up and running or get a little more clarity, but aren't in a position to outsource yet, these options are for you. Then, when you've scaled and are in a position to outsource this kind of work, we'll be here. If you're at the place where you're ready to delegate or you're not happy with your current provider, sometimes you just need a change and a fresh set of eyes. Whether you've got an in-house bookkeeper you're looking to stick with, a tax preparer you're in love with, or a business coach you're working with, we've designed our services to plug right into what works for you. And we love collaborating with other professionals whose specialties intertwine with ours. We're only a part of a bigger team after all. No matter where you've come from, what you're looking for right now, or where you're trying to go, we're here to meet you where you're at. And getting started is simple. First, decide which services are right for you. Each service has a video explaining what it includes and how we work together. Go through and watch those videos and see which one you think you need. Then, complete an intake form so we can get an idea of where you're at currently and how we can plug into your operations in an efficient way. And step 3, we have an onboarding process that we'll send you through to record all standard operating procedures you're currently using and new ones we've created to keep your systems running. So check out what each service entails.